In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust text alignment in Google Docs to fix those annoying spacing issues you might encounter. If you've ever found yourself with text that's off-centered or just not quite right, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through the process of easily correcting these issues so your documents look clean and professional. First, let's get started by opening up your Chrome browser. Once you're there, locate the Sign In button. You'll find it in the upper right corner of the window. Go ahead and click on it to begin the sign-in process. Now, you'll need to choose your Google account from the list presented to you. Select the one you use for your documents, and then you'll be prompted to enter your password. Carefully type in your password and hit the next button to continue. Now that you're signed in, look towards the top right corner of the screen where your profile picture is displayed. Beside it, you'll notice a small square-like icon. It's a familiar sight if you often use Google services, and go ahead and click on this icon. Once you've clicked, a menu will appear. If you don't see the Google Docs option right away, scroll down the menu until you locate it. When you do, simply click on it. Great job. You've successfully navigated to Google Docs. Now, it's time to choose the document you want to work on. Go ahead and click on the file that needs a bit of tweaking. Once your document is open, it's time to select the text that has the weird spacing issue. Highlight the paragraph or paragraphs you're having trouble with by clicking and dragging your mouse over them. Next, let's get to the root of the alignment issue. Direct your attention to the top of the screen where the main toolbar is located. On this toolbar, you'll find an icon that represents text alignment. It looks like a set of horizontal lines. Click on this icon to reveal your alignment options. To fix the spacing, we want to choose the left align option. This icon will show horizontal lines that are only aligned on the left side. Clicking this option will automatically adjust the alignment of your selected text, making everything neat and consistent. There you have it. In just a few clicks, you've transformed your document's layout, ensuring it looks polished and easy to read. Whether you're preparing a report, an essay, or just jotting down notes, having well-aligned text can make a world of difference. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy writing, and see you next time.